As of November 2025, Cash App offers instant transfers to linked bank accounts. To do this, first link your bank account, checking or savings, in the app. This may require verification using your bank credentials. Once linked, open Cash App, select Transfer, choose your linked bank account, and opt for Instant. Confirm the amount, check the fee if applicable, and your funds should appear in your bank account in minutes, although some banks may temporarily hold them for fraud checks. Instant transfers debit your Cash App balance immediately and credit your bank account almost instantly using real-time payment protocols. Keep in mind that instant transfers are typically capped at $1,000 per day for standard users. While convenient, be aware of potential risks, such as scams or failed transactions due to insufficient funds. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Fees may apply for instant transfers, though trends point toward lower or even zero fees in the future, driven by competition and regulatory changes. By 2030, instant transfers are predicted to be ubiquitous. Stay updated with Cash App notifications for real-time status, as occasional outages may occur due to network congestion or bank maintenance. Also, keep in mind the daily transfer limits, which can vary depending on your account type.